Okay, that gun is entirely too loud. If you could please switch to a new gun, I would really appreciate it. I have sensory issues. Thank you. It's just, you know, when you have sensory issues and people find out about it, then they want to talk louder. I don't understand that.
Worst sensory issues.
Just, I'm sensitive to loud noises and, you know, like people laughing out loud and like, you know, that sort of stuff. You know, like I don't even like the words LOL.
That's off your sensory issues when someone says LOL.
Yeah, when I read like a text message that says like LOL, it makes me very uncomfortable because I know like they're yelling at me in text and I have sensory issues.
So no exclamation points.
Yeah, like if somebody types in all caps, I'm like, I respond back, you know, I text back and I'm like, can you please not use all caps? Thank you.
Oh.